i-dle came out with Good Thing, and based on what I've heard and seen, like whether it be TikTok or watching Girlfriend, they have like an OG sound. I'm all for it. I heard a little bit of Good Thing, and it kind of gives me 21 vibes, 4-minute vibes type of vibe, like OG K-pop, you know what I'm saying, like second gen type of vibe. But without further ado, let's check out Good Thing. It says sensitive content. What's happening? Let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. i-dle. Oh, is that caramel or gum? Oh, you gonna cut it? Oh, is that how? Is this like the lower of the hair? Oh yeah. Oh, Minnie's like judging. Not in front of my. Oh, ooh, I do like her hair though.
Daddy, chill.
Oh. Oh, damn, yeah, fuck up the Porsche, whatever that is. Ooh. Yeah, the vibe it reminds me. Let me see how this breaks down. Oh my god. What? Oh my god. Wait, they're just fighting each other? Holy moly shit. Oh, nice effect too. But their purse, okay, shot. Oh, the pants too. Dumb and Dumber. That's what he said. Yo. Dumb and Dumb? Is it Dumb and Dumber? No. Yeah, very like, reminds me of like 21 coded. Obviously it's i-dle. Ooh, the outfit though. That's Gentle Monster like brand. What she's carrying, what she's wearing. I mean, the tiara too. Not tiara. Spectrum. Is it Spectre? Spectre? I don't. What do you call it? The thing she's holding. The handle. The rod. I don't. Anyways, moving on. Oh, she causing a ruckus. Oh, she just took the. She's obsessed. She has it now. Oh, the night vision go crazy. Oh my god, it's a fight. So young too. Oh, it does give like OG vibes. I mess with it heavy. Oh. Oh, yeah! Why's she going off? Wait, was it Minnie looking at her? Minnie just, Minnie just judging her? Ooh. Yuki's outfit reminds me of Kill Bill, or like the Bruce Lee yellow suit. Yeah. Stop hate spread. Oh my god. The i-dle kind of reminds me like of an Apple like logo or like font. Stop hate, spread love. Dang, they blew that bitch up. Let me see that. What is that? Porsche? I don't even know what it is. Interesting edit. Let me see it again. I have to see it again. Wow, look at that edit right here too. You see Soyeon's body still there. Wow, really good job. Yeah, it gives me like OG K-pop vibes. I love it. Give it up for i-dle, y'all. Now, we already checked out Girlfriend live on Twitch, which you guys should follow the Twitch if you haven't already joined us. We play games, we listen to K-pop, etc. And we're gonna play that right now. We're going back to the past to when I checked it out in 3, 2, 1. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day. So i-dle dropped the G, and now they're i-dle, which I mean a lot of people are already been calling them i-dle instead of G-i-dle. But it's i-dle now. Girlfriend official music video. i-dle, Girlfriend official music video. Let's get it. Let's go. 4K. God dang. I saw Soyeon's hair so short. Wait. What did it say? In the. You don't need to be anyone's girlfriend to shine. You're a good thing all on your own. Yeah. You're not a chain to be kept. You're a part of a spark that breaks them. Don't waste your time on every love tease. If you're after something real, don't start by being real. Oh, no, don't start. I mean, start by, I think I read do it and thought it was dumb. It says start by being real. You're unstoppable, and that's the truth. So live loud, be yourself, do it your way, but only if you want to. The only ones who, and the ones who matter. And the ones who matter, they'll love you just who you are. That's true. That's true. I love that. Oh, the motorcycle inside? Oh, okay, they turn it up. Oh my god, I'm speechless. Cheers to the single life. Aww. Ooh. Literally an anthem. I feel like i-dle always makes anthems though. Oh! Hey! Ooh, i-dle, I don't give a fuck about love, 'cause we are i-dle, Ooh, it's a vibe. Hey, hey. Bro, Yuki. Oh. Okay, Miss Man, she's serving. Is this London? Europe? Oh! It literally is girl. Hey, girls only. Chat shit about your ex. Better than the boyfriend. This is for the girlies. This is definitely for the girls for sure. I don't. Let me see that again. From Soyeon. I don't give a fuck about love. Ooh. I don't. Oh, that's a vibe. Oh, i-dle with an asterisk. Oh, literally a girly anthem. I liked it. I liked it. I don't give a fuck about love, 'cause we are i-dle. Put a comment down below what you guys think. Let me know.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Hey yo, be sure to subscribe to my Patreon. You can either be a free member or subscribe for $1. Support your boy. Check out all the first listens over here. If any music video gets blocked, I'll be sure to upload it here for free. Just finished all of EXO Kitty, waiting for season 3 though. We got a lot of stuff and a lot more coming, so come through, subscribe, and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.